Red blinking light on the wood chipper to drag each limb to the back of the wood chipper to put it in. Okay, let's go. Red blinking light on the wood chipper to drag each limb to the back of the wood chipper to put it in. The limbs are up. Okay, let's go. This tree's limbs are getting caught in the utility lines. They need to tap on the truck for the driver to get into the lift bucket. Now tap the red blinking knob to raise the lift. Drag the red blinking knob to the left or right to move the bucket to release the limb. Tap and hold on the bucket to activate the chainsaw. Have all been trimmed. Touch the red blinking knob to lower the lifter. Touch the lifter bucket to add the... Now tap the truck to pull forward. Tap the red blinking light on the wood chipper. Drag each limb to the back of the wood chipper to put it in. The limbs are all ground up. Okay, let's go. bulky trash. Here's a bunch of bulky trash that... Great. Now tap the blue to drive the loader. Tap the... Green knob at any time. Operate the compactor to squish everything. Let's go. Tap the green arrow in the upper left. Here's a bunch of bulky trash that needs to be picked up. Tap the orange buttons in the upper right to disconnect the loader from the truck. Great. Now tap to drive the loader. Tap the knob on the left. Tap the green knob at any time. Operate the compactor to squish everything. Let's go. Tap the green arrow. Here's a bunch of bulky... Right, now to drive the loader, tap the knob on the left to go forward. Tap the green knob at any time. Operate the compactor to squish everything. Go to the dumping ground. landfill. This is where we dump the truck. Tap the orange button on the upper right to disconnect. Great, tapping.
Hello.
This looks like a good spot to stop. Tap the red blinking knob on the side of the truck to open the truck's... Great, now tap... Red blinking knob to lower the tank. Tap the red blinking knob to close the hatch. Good pile of stuff.
This is the bulk pickup truck, ready for the compactor. Over out. This is the master truck. I'm on the way.
Punch and drag the compactor truck to drive across the pile and squish it. Now that pile is ready for the man to like drive the compactor truck away. Okay, let's go. Tap the orange button. Okay, let's go.